Philippines! Namaste India! Bimbo Cornejo vlogs. Please subscribe my channel. I am excited, Daddy!
Hello guys, good morning!
Good morning.
Siguro napapansin nyo, look.
Look, I have ketchup on ketchup. Look, I'm just eating with this ketchup.
Ketchup,
I'm
okay.
eating like that.
Meron na kaming dining table. Maliit lang siya kasi maliit yung space namin. So, at saka, and chair is not that bad, the chair. I'll show you. Look guys, chair.
Nice. Look.
Very
It's
it's good looking. So, kasi yung mga nakikita namin sa showroom ay 4-seaters, yeah?
Showroom. It was like expensive 4-seater.
Yeah, 4-seater.
But it like occupied too much space.
Yeah,
for us.
it's quite big and it will cost us 16,000 rupees. So, and this one cost us only 4,500. So,
And this fit to our house as well.
yeah.
Our space. So we decide to buy this. So at least we can eat on the table.
Okay, yeah. This is our first time. First time to eat on the table.
Our table.
Yeah,
In our house.
Three of us.
Three of us.
Anyway, this is good. And we'll talk about bed. Tumingin din kami yesterday, pakita ko sa inyo. Medyo it's quite big din, tapos masyadong mahal. 18,000 kasama na yung cushion, yung mattress. So we will think about it. May nakita kami sa online kanina. It will
Online
cost.
is cheaper.
Yeah.
More cheaper.
Yung nakita namin kahapon, pang post talaga, pang post na kasi masyadong maganda yung quality. Yung sa online na nakita namin kanina, it will cost us 7,000 plus. Pero it's made of iron, yeah?
Iron.
Yeah. So let's check kung, pero parang sa tingin ko yun ang mabibili namin yung online sa Amazon. Wala pa nga lang mattress yun, 7,000. So let's see. Tapos may nabili na rin kaming washing machine. So
Will come today.
yeah, it will deliver today. So pakita namin sa inyo guys kung paano namin na-purchase. But this time sa Sanket, India, not sa Sales, India.
Different store we bought it.
Guys,
And we also planning to visit weekend to my grandmother. They live in village. So we want to show you guys how village life in India.
Yeah.
How they cook around the farm.
yeah, and
everything.
then this Shama's grandparents to her mother side. Sa mother side niya, they are both alive, yeah? From mother side, Shama was born the house, Sundalpura. So
yeah, and home delivery baby that time.
yeah. So
They allow.
makikita niyo kung saan yung where she was born, village, and yung bahay nila doon. So this weekend pupunta kami doon, guys. Okay? So I think that's it. We are eating. Shama is cook chicken curry today. We don't have rice with chapati.
Chapati in the morning.
The morning bread. So okay. Hello guys, tumitingin kami ng bed namin. Medyo nagugustuhan to ni Madam Shama. But it's quite expensive. Tingnan nyo naman, no? Pwedeng magtago sa ilalim. But price is 18,000. Kasama na yung cushion. This one. So, it's quite expensive. And it's quite heavy. But we need one. So, ano ga? Sa tingin ninyo? Ito na ba ang bibilhin namin? 18,000. Ganito pala mga bed dito. Hello guys, nag-decide na kami kung anong bibili namin. Nandito naman kami sa Sanket, India. So, this is LG. 23,990. How much Shama is this? We can buy from 22, yeah? 22. This is 7 kilogram. But this is smart inverter. Smart inverter. Look, this is LG. So 22,000 pwede naming mabili. So punta tayo dito sa isa, sa Whirlpool. Yun ang aming pinagpipilian, Whirlpool or LG. But this is made in India. All made in India. Ito yung Whirlpool, but this Whirlpool hindi ito smart inverter. It will cost us 21,000. Pero hydraulic yung door. 7.5 din. Both made in India. Both made in India. Ang service center nito ay sa kabilang town, like 10 kilometers away from here. Pero yung LG ay ang service center ay dito na sa town namin sa Nadjan. So, pinagpipilian ngayon namin ni Madam Shama. Kasi gusto rin niya to. Kaya lang, yung Whirlpool na to, kaya lang 6.5 lang to. So, ang price nito ay 20,650. So, pinag-iisipan namin yung sa size, pero I prepared na yung mas mataas. 7.5. No, 7. This is 7.5 ang Whirlpool. Ang LG ata. This is LG is just 7 or 7.5? 7 kg. 7 kg. This Whirlpool is 7.5. So we have to decide which one, guys. Pero nag-decide na kami, may bibili na kami. Kasi hirap din magpabalik-balik. Tingnan na lang natin kung ano yung i-deliver nila, guys. Okay? Nini! Binabayaran na ni Madam Shama ang washing machine. Ayan, no? Ang mga Bollywood star dito. Mga Bollywood star. Kagagandang babae, oh. So let's go na, Nina. So you choose this one. Huh? Oh look, a snake. Oh my God. So guys, binili din namin to. Ito ang gusto ni Nina. More than 500,000. So okay. Nabayaran na yata ni Madam Shama.
Hello everyone. We bought already washing machine. So let's see what we select, which brand. No, keep it secret.
Yeah.
So when it come to home, you will find out, and we buy this time according to your opinion.
Yeah.
So let's see you guys.
This is one of the best suggestions.
Best suggestion. Yeah, we read through and we make decision. So thank you guys. See you later at home. Bye bye.
Dumating na po yung delivery from Sangkat India. So let's see kung ano po yung binili naming brand ng washing machine. So may idea na kayo kung ano yung binili namin. Gigising ko lang. So ito po yung binili namin. Ha? What? They are laughing? They are laughing. Yan guys, oh. So may idea na kayo. Pero hindi pa namin nabubuksan. Delivery lang pala sila. Bali hindi nila madedemo. So tomorrow may darating daw na staff from Sangkat India para yun ang mag-demo. You mean they will open for us? Okay. So bubuksan daw nila. Ayan, no? At bali, bubuksan lang nila para pakita sa amin. Charang! Malaki rin pala, oh. Chine-check nila kung may damage ba o wala. Is it brand new? Yan guys, so bali LG yung binili namin. So pinagpilian namin ay since na maraming suggestion ng Whirlpool at saka LG. So nag-decide kami ni Madam Shama na ito na lang yung bilhin namin kasi smart inverter siya, 7 kg. Although yung Whirlpool ay 7.5 kg, halos same price din. Ang Whirlpool nga lang ay hindi smart inverter. So that's why nagustuhan ko to. Tapos jet spray para daw hindi siguradong may maiiwang sabon. Tapos 10-year warranty, smart inverter. So auto restart. Wala pa akong idea dito sa mga may magde-demo bukas. So guys, dun sa mga nag-suggest ng LG, congratulations! Honestly, gusto ko rin ng Toshiba since Japan. And then Whirlpool. Ang ayaw ko lang sa Whirlpool yung hindi nga siya inverter. So marami nagsasuggest na kung may bibili ng appliances ay inverter. So kaya dito na namin, ito na yung naging first choice namin ni Shama. So para sigurado ng medyo save sa electricity. Nabawasan na yung pagiging tigasin ko. Paminsan-minsan hirap din magkusot. So kahit pa paano, kasi normally naman si Shama naglalabas sa morning. So everyday naglalabas siya. Kaya minsan inis din ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, ba't ba everyday ka maglalaba? Kahirap niyan. So ngayon may washing machine na, siguro hindi na siya maglalaba everyday. Masisave din yung time. So hindi ko akalain nasa pag-YouTube ay makakabili ng garnay. Yan po ang aming dining table. Tama-tama lang sa aming tatlo. So maraming salamat din dyan. Okay guys. Hello guys!
Hello! How are you? Hope you're doing good. We are happy to say we thank you for your suggestion first of all, that you give wonderful suggestion to us to buying washing machine. And as you see, we bought the LG brand washing machine.
LG brand
So we are happy now. No more washing with the hands.
No more kusot.
So that work is reduced. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And now time to shout out.
Okay, you do first.
I will do. Happy birthday to Joan Lucas from Kingston. Joel Amorao from Abu Dhabi. Myla Singpet from Hong Kong. B. Villa from California. And advance very happy birthday on August 3 to Merlin Melenchon. I will repeat again. Merlin Melenchon. Happy birthday, Merlin.
August 3. And Cherry Salon, always watching our vlog since just 1,000 subscribers. Very proud of us from Australia. Si Gladys Petrolia ng Las Piñas. Si Beauty Main ng Aklan. At sa kababayan ko from Lipa City, si Mr. Seb Lasig. And sa wife niya si Flor Lasig from Ibiza, Spain. And sa brother niya na rin si Jun Lasig, my classmate ng elementary. Shout out pare. And the last one, ito po ay isang OFW from Saudi Arabia. May channel din po siya. Ebel's Vlog from Mr. Jobet Marasigan. Yeah, from Saudi Arabia, OFW. Supportahan po natin ang mga vlogger na mga Filipino, OFW. Okay? I think that's all.
So thank you guys again. Keep watching us and keep sharing us on your Facebook account.
And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Thank you, Mami. Bye-bye.